Hey guys, it's Kim and I am here for an Instant Pot video. It has been so long since I've done one of these, but I'm really excited to share with you my super simple, can't be easier, Instant Pot chicken chili recipe. It's a red based, not a white based chicken chili, but a red sauce based chicken chili, and it is super delicious. Great for fall and for any Halloween parties coming up. Super easy to make ahead and just keep warm, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So first thing, you want to turn the Instant Pot onto saute and throw in about a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 pound of chicken breasts. I use boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I just slightly brown them pretty much until I have all the ingredients prepared. Next, I add 2 cans of seasoned chili beans into the pot. I include the sauce instead of draining them because it does have extra flavor. If you'd like to, you can drain that and rinse the beans, but you'd also need to make sure that you add in extra liquid. So next you need a 1/2 cup of broth. I did not have any broth, so I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon of bouillon and adding that to a 1/2 cup of water. Just stir that in to let it dissolve and then add it to the Instant Pot. Next, I'm adding in 2 cans of diced tomatoes. You can do petite diced or regular, and then adding that to the Instant Pot. And then last but not least, I'm adding in a pack of this McCormick chili seasoning, and it is got pretty simple ingredients, not a lot of additives. I typically make my own chili seasoning. It's really easy. I can actually leave an ingredient list below if you prefer, but this chili packet tastes really good. It gives great flavor, and it is super quick and easy to do. So then you're just going to give it one good stir to make sure all the seasoning is incorporated with the sauce and the beans and the meat. And this part is optional, but if you'd like to add in a 1/2 cup of frozen corn, you can. I had only just a tiny bit at the bottom of a bag, so I just added what we had left, but you can add up to a 1/2 cup, and then make sure your lid seal is on tight, and then put the lid on, make sure it's set to sealing, and you want to turn off the saute feature at this point. So you turn off the Instant Pot, and then I'm going to hit manual, make sure it's on high pressure, and set the Instant Pot for 15 minutes. All right guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I did want to give you a quick tip that I forgot to mention in the voiceover, is that after you're done sauteing, you're going to want to make sure you deglaze the bottom. That means getting any of the chicken bits that are stuck on the bottom. You can do that once all the liquid is in. You just kind of scrape the bottom of the pot with a spoon to make sure that nothing is stuck. If there is chicken bits that are still stuck from sauteing, it will not come to pressure. It'll give you the burn notice. The food will eventually cook. It'll just take a lot longer. But if you're getting that burn notice, it's likely because you forgot to clean or scrape off the bottom, or they call it deglazing. So hopefully that is helpful for you guys and you enjoy this recipe. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. All right, thanks guys, bye.